Hey girls, before we get into the video, I want to just send out a huge thank you to today's sponsor, Madam Glam New York, and they sent over their press-on nails. Glam only takes a couple minutes, guys. So these are super cute. They sent over these 3 cute different colors, the blue, the pink, and then the natural, and these are press-on nails. They also sent over the glue-on tabs as well. And then on the back of the box, it gives you the application process and the removal process, and it also gives you a couple tips. So go ahead and check them out. I will leave the link down below, and that is the adhesive tabs that you will need to use to put on your press-on nails. And guys, these are super cute, so definitely go ahead and check them out. I will have all the information down below. Okay, so let's get right into the video. I'm going to show you all how to make bangles today. Guys, making bangles is so easy. So this will be a super quick tutorial. So the first thing you're going to get out is your split ring pliers, and then your flat nose pliers, and then you're going to get your bangles. As you all know, I do have an Amazon storefront link down below for your convenience. So go ahead and check out the Amazon storefront. As y'all can see now, I am just getting out the charms and the bangles and stuff like that for the day. Also, you will need split rings. I want to show that next. That is just a pack of charms from Amazon. And then that goes the split ring pliers right there. And yeah, so we're going to get right into it. Like I said, it's going to be a super quick tutorial because making bangles to me is not hard at all. So the first thing I like to do is just put all of my split rings on the charms. I do all split rings first, and then I go back and attach. So as y'all can see right here, I'm using my split ring plier, and I'm going to just pinch in between the split ring and open it up. As y'all can see, it is now open. And this is where I'm going to slide the charm through the little opening. So y'all going to see me do that now. I'm going to stop talking and let y'all watch me. Boom. As y'all can see, I have put it straight through the hole of the charm. And I'm going to use my flat nose plier now to kind of twist the charm and twist the split ring. As y'all can see, now it is attached. Boom. Now it's attached. So I'm going to do the same exact thing for the other 3 charms. Honestly, y'all, by the time I got to this part, I low-key forgot that I was recording. So that's all like, oh, let me move it up closer to the camera. But like I said, getting these split rings on charms is not hard. I've been doing this for the past 4 years. So, of course, to me, it's kind of easy. I'm pretty sure as a new beginner, it might be a little bit harder, or it might take you a little bit longer. But I can literally make over 100 bracelets probably in less than an hour or 2. But the longest part and the hardest part for me is just putting the split rings on the charms. That's like the most tedious part of this entire process. But I like to do everything in order. So I like to put the split rings on the charms first and then the charms on the bangle. I feel like it kind of saves me a little bit of time. Okay, so right here we have the bangle now, and as y'all will see me, I'm going to put the split ring plier through the hole and push it up just so I can open it up. And as y'all can see right there, boom, it is now open. That is where you're going to slide your charms on. Some people put it on the opposite side. Honestly, I don't know why people do that. That's not that cute. The charms are supposed to go right there where I'm putting them, because that's the whole purpose of that little ledge, I like to call it. So you just slide all the charms onto the ledge of the bangle, and boom, like, it's really nothing too hard about this. That's why it's just so hard for me to do how to make bangle videos, because I feel like it's just so simple. And then you just close it up and boom, you have a bangle complete. You can put 3 charms, 2 charms, 1 charm, 5 charms, 6 charms. I definitely would say the more charms you put on there, the harder it is gonna be to put on. So I kind of make it 5 charms or less, so that way girls can kind of stretch it out and put it on their wrists. And as you all see, I'm going to just put it on my little stand, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. I'm gonna stop talking now.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true indeed. I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
They just wanna fuck with you. Cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you,